Namaskaram and welcome to Onam special guest host by it,
आयज आमी मनयतात ओणम.
the harvest festival of Kerala.
ओणम हो सण इतलो फामाद तितले तेंचे पदार्थूय फामाद आसात. अपर्णा तुका खबर आसतले अशे कितें तरी पदार्थ जे दिसा ओणमा दिसा ते पदार्थ मने करतात.
एक दोन खबर आसा, पुट्टू, प्यासम आणि अप्पम.
ओके, खूब जाले इतले. खूब जाले आमकां तितले अपर्णान आतां आमकां जे पदार्थ सांगले तितले आमकां खूब जाले. तुमी खंयच वचूं नाकात. आमी आयज ओणमाचे पदार्थ पळोवपाक वचूं.
Onam is also known as Vamana Jayanti. It is a harvest festival and the state festival of Kerala celebrated by the people of Kerala. It falls during the month of August-September and lasts for 10 days.
Mr. Ravi Shankar, can you tell us what is the importance of Onam?
Onam actually it is a national festival of Kerala, but it is celebrating all over the world. The main this is a egalitarianism, that is because there is no caste, no religion or any countries like that. Everybody is celebrating that day.
Okay.
And Onam day, all people are sitting together and having lunch in a Kerala style. That means the traditional Kerala lunch they are having, whether Muslim, Christian, and Hindus, all together. Everybody is celebrating on that day Onam. That is the main this thing.
Okay. So we have entered Girija Didi's house to celebrate Onam.
सण म्हटले की गोडदोड हें आयलेंच. आयज आमी ओणम मनयतात आनी ओणमाची एक अशी वेगळी स्पेशल डीश ही आसतलीच. आयज आमच्या बरोबर दिदी आसात. दिदी आमकां ओणम विशयी खंयची स्वीट डीश दाखयतात ती पळोवया.
Girija Didi, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
So what's special today?
What I am going to show first is Adapradavan, which is a kheer, and it is made of rice flakes.
Okay.
But usually in olden times they used to make it. This is what is Adapradavan.
ये क्या है अभी?
This is Ada.
आड़ा.
हाँ, ये घर पे भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत मुश्किल का है, तो इसलिए अभी यू बाय इट रेडीमेड. यू गेट दिस रेडीमेड.
ये इजीली मार्केट में मिलता.
हाँ, यस, मार्केट में मिलते हैं.
हे अडा जे आसा हे तांदळापासून बनयल्ले आसता, पूण हे तुम्ही घरा करपाक गेल्यार खूप डिफिकल्ट आसा. तुमकां हे इझिली अवेलेबल मार्केटात मेळटाच.
The ada is first soaked in hot water for about 30 minutes. You boil water and put the ada in that and close it and keep it for about 30 minutes. By that time it gets really cooked. And then you take it, strain it and put it into cold water. And then that is what is the Adapradavan made of. That's the ready ada. What you have here is
So
that.
now this you have already cooked.
Yes, this is already put in hot water and the cold water and cooked.
Okay.
Now we have to add the coconut milk and the jaggery to this. Main ingredient is coconut milk, jaggery, and this is the boiled ada.
आपने वो जगरी लिया, वो सिरप लिया उसका.
हाँ, ये सिरप करके उसका वो पत्तर उत्तर निकाल के साफ करके रखा है. और ये सब बाद में डालने का है. काजू और इलायची एंड कोकोनट छोटा टुकड़ा करके वो घी में फ्राई किया है. लाइक काजू फ्राई करते हैं, हाँ, वो भी इसमें डालते हैं लास्ट में.
आपने जो काजू लिया वो भी फ्राई करके लिया.
हाँ, काजू और वो कोकोनट का वो फ्राई करता है और इलायची भी डालने का लास्ट में. और ये सब घी में फ्राई करता है.
Yeah, this is
All, yeah, everything is fried. Yeah. This ada is first boiled in the third. We take out the coconut milk, the first milk, the second milk, and the third. The first extract is without any water.
Okay.
Just grind the coconut, and what you take out is the first extract. And then you put a little water, and this is the second extract, and that is the final. So you boil this first. Almost ready. We just put off the gas and add the first milk. Yeah.
अभी इसमें हमने 2 बार मिल्क डाला।
हाँ।
उसके अभी ये फर्स्ट वन।
First milk.
तुमकां लागतले भाजलेल्यो काजूच्यो बियो, भाजलेल्यो नाल्लाच्यो कातल्यो, अडा, वेलचीचो पिठो, गोड, घरावें तूप. पयलीं अडा उकडून घेवपाचे, तातूंत नाल्लाचो रोस घालपाचो. त्या उपरांत गोड घालून ते बरे शिजोवन घेवपाचे. ताच्या वयर भाजलेल्यो नाल्लाच्यो कातल्यो आनी भाजलेल्यो काजवाच्यो बियो घालून सर्व करपाचे. अडा प्रदमन तयार.
अपू, ओणम सणाची सुरवात आम्ही एका गोड डिशीन केली, पण आता काहीतरी तिखट जाय कशें दिसता म्हाका.
बऱ्याच कामांक उशीर कित्याक. आमच्या बरोबर कृष्णा दीदी आसात. कृष्णा दीदी, what is the next dish you are going to show us?
This is next dish is avial.
Okay.
It's a popular dish in Kerala. We always serve in means all the occasions.
On the occasions.
Occasions.
Like the similar to the kheer.
Yeah.
Which is also served on occasion.
It's a must. Avial
Okay.
is a must.
ये आप जो डिश है वो स्पेशली ओणम के लिए बनाते हैं?
Not for Onam, for all the occasions,
For
special occasions.
occasions.
It's like for birthdays and New Year,
Okay.
for Onam.
So whenever there is something special,
yeah,
this dish
yeah,
has
we
to be
prepare
there.
this, yeah.
Okay.
Avial. So for this, we need. See, these are the cut vegetables.
Okay.
Different vegetables. It's cut thin, long pieces.
Okay.
Around 1 inch size, like. So this is, let's say, red pumpkin is there, white pumpkin is there, and raw banana pieces is there, and yam pieces is there.
Okay.
Small piece of yam, and drumstick, cluster beans is there, carrots are there. And all sorts of, except potato and onion. You
Onion,
can use
anything.
Any vegetables.
Okay. Now for this dish, there is particularly certain vegetables has to be there in this dish.
Normally we put this
Okay. Normal.
यही
thing.
vegetables
Okay.
होता है
Okay.
इसके
Okay.
लिए.
Yeah.
So, coconut
Okay.
with chilies and jeera.
With chilies and
Yeah.
jeera.
These are
Okay.
all the ingredients. And, this is 1 cup of curd.
Curd.
Beaten curd.
Okay. And salt as per the taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
स्टार्ट करेंगे?
Actually, this is a simple dish.
Yeah, simple.
Very-
And I
very
think
easy
it's
to
very
make.
quick
Yeah,
dish.
quick.
So it is nicely boiled.
Yeah, boiled. Spoon of salt. And this ground mixture.
Okay. Except of turmeric powder and jeera, we are not using any masala.
Any masala. Oil we means we have to add oil. That's a seasoning.
For the seasoning.
Seasoning.
Yeah,
Only-
okay.
Add curd.
Okay. I think curd will give that bitter taste.
Bitter taste. Yeah. Allow boil only for 1 minute.